Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to try to keep it short and show you how to use a plunger to unclog your toilet. Hey, this video is really geared towards maybe teenagers, something around that age group, who are just learning how to do this. I am lucky here, my water is clean. Yours might not be clean, sorry about that. Here's the good news, your plunger will work, 100% guaranteed. However, it might take a minute and it might take 10 minutes or more. Now, as long as it's only toilet paper and you know what I'm talking about, then it will for sure work. If there's a toothbrush, a toy, or something else that got its way into the toilet, this might not work. But again, if it's only toilet paper and you know what, it will work, I promise. Hey, check it out. Did you know you can actually unclog the toilet using a cleaning brush like this? You can look down in the description and I'll put a link to a video that I made on that. However, the plunger is the correct tool and the plunger is gonna work way better. Hopefully your plunger looks like this. And the reason I say that is, see this little extra piece at the end right here? That actually can fold in and look like this right here, which would be really great if you're doing a sink. However, for the toilet, you wanna reach in and pull it out so it looks like this. All right, what our goal is gonna be to do is to get this little circle, this opening, sorry, this is kind of gross, this opening, and we wanna cover up that hole at the bottom. So here's what we can do. If your water is high, by the way, put it on its side and let that water in, and then it will create less of a mess. And then the first thing we're gonna do is we don't want this straight up and down, and we don't want it sideways. We wanna kind of go at a little bit of an angle. And the first push, we're just gonna get the air out. You're gonna see some bubbles come up, there we go. And we're gonna do that slow just to try to keep things from becoming a mess. Now, I'm gonna do about 10 pushes pretty quickly here, and let's see what we've got. When I'm done with the 10 pushes, I'm gonna keep the plunger under the water. All right. Ooh, mine's gonna be easy. Look, it already unclogged. All right, now my next step is this. I'm gonna flush the toilet. I'm gonna clean off the plunger. I'm gonna put the plunger back. If you made a mess on the ground, get a little toilet paper, clean it up, and you might even flush it one more time just to make sure everything's going down smooth. Now listen to me, that one was very easy. That one was about as easy as it gets. There's a very good chance that this is gonna take you 3 or 4 or 5 tries. I'm gonna put another link down in the description of this video of one on how to unclog a really clogged up toilet, which takes me, who's done this a lot of times, it takes me several tries and several minutes, but it does finally come unclogged. Again, if it's only toilet paper and you know what, it will work. I absolutely guarantee it. You don't need to call a plumber. You don't even need to call dad, but you have to be persistent and you have to keep trying and trying and trying. You will get it, I promise. All right, friends, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.